Kado kawe kaching hon kat news kilang orat tuan abang puang pia phan sedame pini adaba birta long pen adab kimia kardam nang pajurik long kardam tangte pini adaba birta arjuik tha Pharo pliang deng nokbe lachit bar phukon amhang kethek arnia long pacheton dunsi phai kuri ni phai ngora pho arni dipu dharam nala sukapa bhawana long nokbe lachit bar phukon akumlen kangpu birta ripon long Dipu dharam nala sukapha bhawana long nokbe lachit bar phukon akumlen kangpu APHLC asong pen Assam lapen Meghalaya bong suluk sodaka tomon ke jabalong Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM MP lapen MLA atom kangsam dunri APHLC asong pen Assam lapen Meghalaya bong suluk sodaka tomon ke jabalong Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM MP lapen MLA atom kangsam dunri puthak pherangkya mai ki pha Longri long parajoy ne apran kedam kalitang bida sing lekhe kethitang arpum methang hemnang kachili Longri long parajoy ne apran kedam kalitang bida sing lekhe kethitang abang arpum methang hemnang kachili
যেতিয়া আমি গম পালোঁ তেতিয়া আমি সাধাৰণতে তেখেতসকলক আমি সহযোগ কৰোঁ আৰু সেই মৰ্মে তেনেকৈ আমি ভাবিলোঁ তেখেতসকলেও আমাৰ লগত যোগদান কৰিলে 21 তাৰিখে তেখেতসকলে বহুতখিনি কম্পিটিশ্যনো আমাৰ হৈ পেলাই আমাৰ সহযোগত তেওঁলোকে
JCCPA asong atom pen pherangkya maya long kapachini ponke mukro long alam kya pothak bang trok apran kidam nangke ningduk long Lapen kisung ki phoret ahema saratam ana phanta ining duk chipaklang Assam Chief Minister pen kaning jepon thang provocation ave bonpo bonta laki do veklo Lapen Meghalaya Chief Minister kaning je unprovoked firing pulong seta kalilo laki police atom ta apran chipajok chia phanke firing nang koklo pusi JCCPA asong claim bang phuatum pen pherangkya mayalong pachini
Hello, we are deeply saddened by the news that Vida Singh Lekhe, a home guard, has been killed in an illegal loggers provoked incident at Mukro under Jirikindeng police station in West Karbi Anglong, Assam on 22nd November 2020. We pray for the eternal peace of his soul and pay our heartfelt condolences to the very family. As appeared in a section of the press, a team of forest protection personnel on duty intercepted illegally transporting logs from reserve forest in Karbi Anglong, Assam to Meghalaya and arrested 3 illegal loggers. The team of forest and police personnel who went to confiscate the truck and the logs were attacked, and the police resorted to firing in self-defense in which 6 persons including Vida Singh Lekhe had lost their lives in the firing along. We strongly condemn the vested interest groups of persons who provoked the attack upon the forest and police personnel. We demand a high-level and proper investigation into the incident. Also, we demand deployment of security personnel along the interstate border for the safety and security of government official employees detailed for protection of forest reserve forest and the police personnel posted for maintaining law and order. We appeal all members of Karbi, Khasi and Jaintia community living in areas along the border to exercise restraint and to maintain peace and communal harmony. Ladak nilitung ke duntugang tumangela hello as a section of the press. The Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, has promptly taken action with immediate effect. We appreciate that, but that's not enough. Along the interstate border for the safety and security of government official employees detailed for protection of forest reserve forest and the police personnel posted for maintaining law and order. We appeal all members of Karbi, Khasi and Jaintia community living in areas along the border to exercise restraint and to maintain peace and communal harmony. Ladak nilitung ke duntugang tumangela hello as a section of the press. the Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, has promptly taken action with immediate effect. We appreciate that, but that's not enough. The government should apprise the central government. The state government of Assam should apprise the central government to investigate into the incident and book the culprits involved in the illegal logging which is going on unrestrained. Laso ako sinil tumalang litum panda churu tulo la penke kupuluma puji ini tuma Chief Minister ini tuma CM atum si tame are CEM EM to our knowledge is camping in New Delhi, so they should also apprise the government of India about the situation prevailing in the district, so that any untoward incident would be avoided and law and order is maintained and peace. Law and order and peace is maintained along the border. Kasi ilitum karbi arada tum si tame kopiloma ladak ke ning bang asap cekhang cenang po karbi kuda delo khasi penara tum si tame ning cekhang nang po kanala dak apang teng ke dura peti pangsiding tum chuning rilo. Lapen labang ke karbo ke karbi khasi tolang galila ke karbo bangke la thengpi ke jongbu tum si karbo. Lasi alang litu mapan sila tinggi ke jonggo tu mapan mangsi putih aja semet peke action and import the government of Assam, lapan ke government of Meghalaya, because the illegal loggers are responsible for the situation there. Lasi normal ke nil tu manat pen ke lapanan ko.
Kedam tang pai kuni ni pain kora hini arni West Karbiang long mukro arong along thengpi kang hot ma phan ingnam rai koma sai kama tumpen kene abduna hot kachateng kheng du rajok forest guard Bida Singh lekhe apram dam nam Karli tang Bida Singh lekhe pen chekla jama prang mukro forest south Bida long project pen start nang ko ba sela khang Lapen sai kilometer sunga putha project pen Meghalaya adi ahoy long border outpost nang bisarak nang GPC Pherang ke amaya long pen Karbiang long autonomous council CEM tuliro mo hangapa tulingilo
Kinona mat ke jatta bela ki do ke dam nil tum duty dam pusita me hemkong long sita ave benil tum ke do thak dak sik sako lang pen cheng lok mi pen cheng lok nil tum dak duty dam pusita me nil tum hemkong long ta ave pen ki juna lang ta ave me ta ave nil tum hamanta solar church nang pirke nil tum manerlo ke thorpo ajo ke light ta ave an ke chui phananta me ave lang ke sokom ni ha hello lang dak pen ho alingan suna lang hala dagan ta la khasia chumang tumna alone ni tum phanang kau nai je lang ki juna lang along anta do wai nang jok bilang lapen pane sigiram tang non 12 tarik ani Khironi protection party tumang lo je protection tumang lo jelong nepon check lo la so hut la sorni pondet pen la so nong betanil tum phan ladak kem along anang pali ai si towar long an si nil tum phan adak pen ar ne tum phan meme jununu tumang tum ne tum phan kang check kang ton kang thi la pen uthot las arni si do pen directly clear ni bangke nil tum duty dam lo aner lo duty dam pen aner lo bang thang theda lo ajo bang ko nil tum protection dam thulo protection dam pen ajo nil tum gari theklang lo kama so gari long ko pisi do ma punil tum kelang dam hu gari al dungan pale lo al dung pale pen nil tum phan chumang tum kai bong kithi susu kali hadak ni tum hanta nili phana bangke nili choeng tum loksi kupilo nang tum bang ning adak kupi kam lo duty bang ni punil tum phana nge nang ke hap dolo la pen hadak pen nil tum bang chuserai joy lo nil tum munit kom hekama nil tum bang bang joy lo bang pen la kem nang le podok dok hut gari hum thom bak do la tum ke bang so hut bang pharosi an susejet arleng bang dia tu nili tum hanta pusinang komchen lo noktak pen sin tum hanta ite thokong bat koknang bat kok len tum hanta je kupilo nang tum duty ke dam ni la dakin itu Meghalaya le la dakin itu ma along le ku pikam yang tum duty dam ni kunil tum phanang pher nang hap lo la pen nili son ka chuning ri yang tu mang ke ke hai doktor tuliram long hang CM sarphan nili chuning ri yang tu mang ke unan prabjin pen la border hoilong nil tum dak mukro kemalong isung alam ba abang ke unan prabjin pen outpost nang buhai da prang sonte nil tum ke do ke thak la pen ke do ke dam ning ki thepar pon par ke non botoman dak do bom kin tum oksikom rom sido la pen bozar bo patta te bokhat ple ke do gali nil tum dak pen dam ning 8 kilometer 9 kilometer bak dolang nil tum han chunam namji sang chunam namji dam ke dam phananta nil tum tobar dam bom hut muku pilo ne nil tum ta thang efrang alam chi putek the nasi un an prabjim pen na ke hai CM tum tamela to CM ake hai doktor tulian mo hang stame un ansar nang rap dak border area long nang bang pen nang lang son te un an ke meji
Bonta Kalitang Bidal Singh Lek Tepen Kapachinya Lamthe Karbiang Long Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Long Hang Pen RD Kipi Kangtung Tedara Doksi Nonapura Hudan Apran Tipinang Kok Kalitang Bidal Singh Lek Tepen Longria Parman Apran Amui Chipi Terapianta Karbiang Long Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Long Hang Pen Kisung Kipovek Lapen Lampi Sianta Lasolam Pia Putak Ase Kachibiaru Kaya Pan Longria Pan Kaching Hon Nai ASEM Non Anta Aje Theklong Nila Bonta Meghalaya Chief Minister Pen Amethang Akaya Pan Longria Pan Kaching Hon Ke Thepi Kacho Sai Ke Claim Do Thek Sang Thek Thea Sonsi Theklong Pini Adaba Birta Bangkila Pansi Kangton Iklong Kato Kaveta Domethak Mi Kurwang Thu